Are you planning to buy a house this festive season? Then this video is for you, because we are going to list down some of the cheapest home loans offered by banks and housing finance companies that win the race this festive season. There are 10 banks and housing finance companies that, despite the RBI's rate hike, continue to offer attractive interest rates of up to 8.1% on home loans. But before we list down those names for you, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon for more such content. The Reserve Bank of India's repo rate hike since May 2022, including the 50 basis point increase on 30th September, may have restored pre-COVID-19 interest rate levels. But borrowers can still obtain home loans at less than 8.05% from several banks. In fact, some banks offer interest rates of less than 8% as on October 4, 2022, as per the data from bankbazaar.com. Though some may reset the rates later to reflect the banking regulator's rate hike. All floating rate home loans sanctioned after October 1, 2019 are linked to an external benchmark, which is repo rate in most cases. So policy rate revisions will be fully passed on to the borrowers. An interest rate on home loans for all listed public and private sector banks and housing finance companies as listed on National Housing Bank's website that offer home loans of up to Rs 75 lakh have been considered for the data compilation. The names have been mentioned in the ascending order of the interest rates charged, and EMI has been calculated for an amount of Rs 75 lakh for a tenure of up to 20 years. So let's dive into the list of these banks and housing finance companies. Number 1. The Central Bank of India. It offers an interest rate of 7.5% on a Rs 75 lakh home loan with a repayment tenure of 20 years. The equated monthly installment, called as EMI, will amount to Rs 60,419 if you borrow from this bank. Number 2. Bajaj Finserv. At 7.7%, the non-banking financial company, which is called NBFC, charges 20 BPS more for such home loans. The EMI will work out to be Rs 61,340. Unlike banks, housing finance companies' home loans are not linked to an external benchmark, but competition in the market ensures comparable and, in some cases, cheaper rates. Number 3. Union Bank of India. The interest rate is 7.75% for home loans offered by this government-owned banking major. You will have to pay an EMI of Rs 61,571 every month. Number 4. Kota Mahindra Bank. At 7.99%, this private sector bank is the last of the lenders who offer sub 8% rates in this list, even in the rising interest rate scenario. The EMI works out to Rs 62,686. Number 5. IDB Bank. Another government-owned bank. It offers an interest rate of 8% on a home loan of Rs 75 lakh with a tenure of 20-year period. LIC Housing Finance Limited. This public sector housing finance giant too charges an interest rate of 8% on such home loans. The EMI in this case will be Rs 62,733. Next, Aditya Birla Housing Finance Company. At 8%, Aditya Birla's offering is at par with those of bigger banking and housing finance majors. Next, Canara Bank. At 8.05%, the interest rate is relatively higher in case of this government-run bank. The EMI amounts to Rs 62,967. Next one in the list is Karur Vyasa Bank. This private sector bank's interest rate for a Rs 75 lakh home loan with a 20-year tenure is also 8.05%. The next bank in the list is Axis Bank. At 8.1%, its offering may not be the cheapest home loan available in the market today, but it is among of the very few private sector leaders who have made it to the cheapest lenders list. NBFCs such as Tata Capital, Repco Home Finance and GIC Housing Finance also offers similar rates to borrowers. Hope this video was insightful to all the home buyers, and well, for more such content, keep following Moneycontrol.